Butterfly Smart Mixer Grinder in grey color. It has a powerful 750-watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding functions in the kitchen. It is also equipped with an automatic overload cutoff facility that ensures safety for your appliance. The main body of the mixer grinder is made of ABS plastic and it comes with 3 rust-free stainless steel jars. It also has an additional polycarbonate juicer jar with an easy-to-use pusher. The jar lids are made of high-grade polycarbonate material that makes them heat-proof and shatter-resistant. The jars are also equipped with strong and sturdy handles which provides a firm grip, ensuring no slippage. The razor-sharp rotator blades have an RPM of 17,000 to 20,000 that helps in precise cutting and chopping. The Butterfly Smart Mixer Grinder comes with a user-friendly 3-speed rotating knob with whip function that helps you adjust the speed as per your requirements. It also has an LED light to indicate the power on status. The vacuum rubber shoes at the bottom gives the mixer grinder a firm grip. This product comes with 2 years warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page.
Presenting the Philips mixer grinder in black color that comes with 3 jars. It has a 750-watt turbo motor with advanced air ventilation system and strong plastic couplers to perform all kinds of heavy grinding functions in the kitchen. It allows up to 25 minutes of continuous grinding even for tough ingredients. The Philips mixer grinder has a durable ABS plastic body and it comes with 3 food-grade high-quality stainless steel jars consisting of a 1.5-liter wet jar, 1-liter multi-purpose jar and a 0.3-liter chutney jar. All the jars have semi-dome transparent lids for easy monitoring. The leak-proof jars feature rubber gaskets for the lids of wet and chutney jars for a tight and secure fit. It comes with specialized stainless steel blades for smooth grinding. The 3-speed setting with pulse allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference. The Philips mixer grinder features a triangular-shaped body with less grooves for easy cleaning. It comes with 2 years product warranty and 5 years warranty on the motor.